Hey guys, welcome back to Eek Nation. I'm Edward Kraatz II. Thank you for joining this video. I saw another artist do this online. His name is ACD Art Attack. The dude is amazing. He does some crazy art. And so this was a challenge for me. I bought a coloring book. It's got some pretty cool pieces of artwork in here, guys. We are going to color Doctor Strange. It's a challenge for me because I've never done this and I've seen him do it. I did have some really difficult challenges working on the paper. It felt great at first, but once I started applying the markers and the colors to it, it just started disintegrating. The inks on the page just started coming up and everything. When you guys see it at the end, I think it turned out pretty well. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Make sure you guys watch, like, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you again. Well, there you go, guys. All done, finished up. What do you think? Thanks for watching the video.